Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet fruit. First, select your favorite ripe fruits like berries or mangoes, ensuring they are full of natural sweetness. Next, you'll need to prepare a simple syrup by combining equal parts sugar and water, heating until dissolved, and then letting it cool completely. This syrup is crucial for the sorbet's texture and sweetness. Finally, gather your equipment, especially a good blender and an ice cream maker, to ensure a smooth process. Now it's time to create your sorbet base. Carefully combine your chosen fruit, which you've already prepared, with the completely cooled simple syrup in your blender. Blend these ingredients until the mixture is incredibly smooth, ensuring there are absolutely no fruit chunks left. This smooth consistency is key for a delightful sorbet. Don't forget to taste it and adjust the sweetness, or add a little lemon juice for brightness if needed. With your base ready, it's time for the magic of churning. Pour the smooth fruit mixture directly into the pre-chilled bowl of your ice cream maker. Follow your machine's specific instructions for churning, which typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes. As it churns, the mixture will gradually thicken. You'll know it's ready when it reaches a delightful soft serve consistency, perfect for the next step. Almost there. Once your sorbet has reached that lovely soft serve stage, transfer it into an airtight freezer-safe container. This helps prevent ice crystals from forming. Place the container in your freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours, allowing it to firm up to a perfectly scoopable texture. When it's ready, scoop out generous portions and enjoy your incredibly refreshing, homemade fruit sorbet. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.